Hello, Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations here. I wanted to share with you my brand new Tower of Treats Advent Calendar. So I do hope you're going to enjoy creating this project. It's got a smaller footprint, but the nice thing is, as you open the boxes, you've got like little picnic treat boxes. They all vary in size. But you open one side and then you can open the other side as well. Let me try and hold that up for you. They all vary in size. We start right down the bottom at 4.5 inches and then we go right to the top at 2x2, and then you've got your little treat box on the top as well, so you just undo that ribbon. So 25 is your special treat box. Now this is my new online workshop. This is slightly different because this is my Tower of Treats cutting file version. So if you've got a cutting machine like a Brother Scan & Cut or a Cricut, you can create this with the cutting files. So the nice thing about it is it takes all the cutting away. All you've got to do is then have a scoreboard to score and your bone folder and your glue to put it all together. So everything is there. With the online workshop, not only do you get the SVG cutting files to create this, but I also give you video step-by-step tutorial in real time. I've broken the videos down, so we're doing each level at a time. So you're going to do the 4.5 inch, you're going to do the construction, then there's a decoration video, and then we're going to do the 4 inch, and then we're going to do the 3.5 inch, and it's so on. But it's broken down to each level, construction, and then decoration. So you've got the video tutorials, you've got your cutting files. I'm also giving you the PDFs as well for the project, because the nice thing is when you're putting these out and you say you scan and cut mat, you can go along and take the items to fit. I filled my mat up so you can tick off items so you know what you've cut. So you can check whether you've got it the right way round if you've got papers that you want to have a particular way as well. That's the good thing about it. Okay, now the other good thing about this project is, yes, it's an Advent Tower of Treats that you can make in so many different colours. Let me bring another colour in here to share with you. See, there's a nice red one. The design team have been so busy. But this could also be, how about a baby's first Christmas? You know, bringing that into special occasions, because these Advent calendars are going to be used year after year. This is the lovely thing about them. So you're going to be using these a lot. So you've got a special, you know, you can do these in any colours you like. But don't just think Advent calendars. How about making it special? And you could have it as a 21st birthday countdown or a 21st birthday gift. The lovely Heather on my design team, what she's done here is she's not used the bottom layer, so now she's got 21 boxes, so she can fill them with treats ready for that special 21st birthday, whether you gift it to them all at once or whether you let them have it on the days building up. What a fabulous idea you can use that. So think about gifts. Use them as lovely gift treats. You could have, say, a silver wedding. You know, how about doing something a little bit different? I've done another one here for a male gift. But these can be filled with anything you like. You know, you might have a gardener in the family. You could put a nice set of gardening gloves on the top and then put in the pocket, put in the little drawers, some little packets of seeds. You know, this is your imagination is going to run wild when you think how many times you're going to be able to use these, and having the cutting files makes it so easy. You know, I show you how to put the ribbon underneath your paper at the bottom so it's all attached, so when you can pick it up with no problems at all. I show you the easy way to actually stick the pattern papers on, so all the top layers of here is all one sheet of paper, just one sheet of pattern paper, but the cutting files will gut in the nests, so you'll stick on each layer, so you're only using one sheet of paper. So what you're going to need, 12 by 12 cardstock is what you're going to need. If you're doing cutting files, you're going to need about 23 sheets, and then pattern paper, 10 to 11 sheets of pattern paper is all I used. So by having the cutting files, I could fill my mat with all the shapes and cut them out, and then get yourself some numbers and you're off. So I will see you in the online workshop with the step-by-step tutorials as well. It'd be like having me in your craft room. I'll leave the links below the video. So this is the cutting file version of my Dawn's Tara Treats Advent Calendar. I hope you like it.